Yeah, you don't have to buy expensive one.
Not maybe bring up from the kitchen, the coals.
And I stir ready. Afterward, I get 200 ml hot water to pour in. That's it. Nothing else. This one no sugar one. Okay, but
Hot boiling water.
hot water. 200 ml.
How long do you steam here?
18 minutes.
Or 18 minutes?
Then after then this one, second top 20 minutes, and then another 10 minutes for it to dry on top. It takes the moisture outside to evaporate the water. You don't need to go and wipe the water.
Okay, so you steam 20 minutes for the top, and then you open the cover of the
and if you
steamer
want easier
and steam another 10 minutes.
If you want easy to put the oil, just buy a spray gun, but don't use olive oil. It will make the fragrance not nice. Use
Spray the oil on what? On the pan?
On the paper, on the pan or whatever.
Cannot.
I use my uncle, I don't use hair. I use spray, when come out already, I spray, very easy. This is your brain. Easy, just spray.
This the coconut cream that we are talking about. She says it's $1 only, right?
Yeah, $1.
$1.
It used to be
She says it's
80
very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
This is use the coconut 400.
The hot water you get it from inside.
Yeah, when it's almost ready. And this one more alkaline. That's it. Nothing. Just the flour, the coconut, and the hot 200. Same thing. Rice.
Post it on the group chat.
Rice flour, tapioca flour, mung bean flour.
It's the amount. I'll put it on the group chat.
Rose, no need to receive. Just like that. No need. If you know how to stir.
Your mum makes flour, usually mum will buy yellow color.
Mung bean flour is not yellow. It's white. No, it is on the outside. It's called mung bean flour. She has shown the picture. I'll post it on the group chat.
I give Polly sister all the.
Normally use a whisk is better lah. We don't have a whisk.
It's moved up. This one you got to use strength and then you know how to whisk it very easy. Yes, after the one is finished, then I put also I want it thickened.